This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 158. Question is, a beam of light from a source L is incident normally on a plane mirror fixed at a certain distance x from the source. The beam is reflected back as a spot on the scale placed just above the source. When the mirror is rotated through a small angle theta, the spot of light is found to move through a distance y on the scale. The angle theta is given by. So let us draw the diagram first of all so that we can understand the question clearly. Let's say this is the plane mirror and this is the source. Source is L. This distance between the mirror and the source that is given to us, that is x, right? Initially the light is going like this, normally going to hit the mirror, and we know that it will retrace its path, right? In the second part of the problem, when you rotate the mirror by the angle theta, so you are doing this. We are rotating the mirror with a very small angle theta. Then this spot is going to shift at this place. And we have given this distance as y. This is the theta angle with which the mirror is rotated, and we have to find out what is the theta. Now just try to understand. We know that if you will rotate the mirror by the angle theta, the reflected light ray will be rotated by the angle 2 theta, right? So this is the light ray which is reflected now, and this will shift then by 2 theta. This is reflected light ray and this will rotate by 2 theta, and this distance is given to you y, that we have to find out. Now let us take this point as m and this point is n. So if you talk about in triangle MLN, what is tan theta? Tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta will be how much? That will be y by x. Now this is mentioned that this angle theta is small, so we can say that this tan 2 theta will be approximately 2 theta. So 2 theta is given by y by x. So what will be theta? Theta will be y by 2x. So this is theta, y by 2x. Okay, so this will be the answer, y by 2x. So the second option is the correct one. Okay, thank you.